Hello friends, welcome. Now in the previous video we worked with form for categories, create new category. Now let's work with post, because I left here and I told you that if you want you can create yourself. Now let's create together. If we go here we have just the string form, and let's open the VS Code. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the form we have here for the category and paste it inside of the create for posts. Just we need to change the route, which is going to be posts, and let's open also the post model. And just here we need to see we have title, description, category ID, and the slug. So let's change here. First input is going to be the title. Let's say title. Then we have the description, the slug, and the category ID. The slug is okay. Now for the description, we need to go here in the documentation of the Splade, and let's go when we have the form components. We have this text area, and I'm going to use this one. So let's copy this. So title, slug, name is going to be description. And let's see now. Yeah, just we need also to add the category ID, which is going to be a select. So here we have an example, and let's copy this one, and I'm going to add the first one here. The name is going to be not country code, but category ID. Okay, because here we have category ID. And now options, we need all the categories. So let's say categories. Very good. But where I come from these categories, we need to go in the controller. So post controller, and in the create here we need to get all the categories, which is going to be category, and plug the name and the ID and give it and transform the array. And I'm going to say add the compact categories like this. Okay, so we added the title, description, category ID, and the slug. Title, description, category ID, and the slug. Okay, let's navigate in the browser. And as you can see, here we have title, category ID. Okay, just to the description, I want to add a class. Let's say margin top of 2. Yeah, we need also to add a label for this. And say description. And I think we are okay. So title, and maybe also for the category ID, let's add a label and say category. Okay, now we are okay. And let's work with the store method, because right now if I say, yeah, store method does not exist. So let's open the post controller and create a method store, and also I'm going to create a new request. So let's say artisan make request and post store request. Hit enter and run also the npm run dev again. And now let's use that post store request as $request, and the same thing we have done in the category controller. Just say post create and $request validated. And then let's return to the route post index. Okay. Now let's open the post store request, change the authorized to be true. And here we need to validate the title. Which is going to be required. And max of 255. Then we have the slug, which also is going to be unique to the posts and to the slug column. Let's remove this one. Next, we have the description, which is going to be just required. And also the category ID. And let's save it. Come here and refresh. Now if I say submit, the category ID field is required, the title field is required, and OK. Then let's select, I'm going to select the test category, add the title. So first title, add the slug, let's say first title like this, and add the description. And let's say submit, and we redirected back, and here we have first title, slug first title. So we created the post and we have the results here, 11 results. That's it, how we can create a new post. Okay friends, now when we create a post, it's a good idea to have that notification we created the post successfully or something like this, and it's very easy with Splade. So let's go up when we have those notification, and on the controller we say something like this. So let's copy that and navigate on the post controller. So when we store new controller, we are going to say we need to import the toast from Proton Media Splade facades toast. Okay, and let's say here post created successfully. And also I'm going to say new post created. Very good. If I save and let's try one more time for the new post, let's change the category. Let's select this one. Second title. Second title I'm going to say, and something for the description, and let's say submit. And now new post created successfully. Very good. And let's do the same for the categories. So when we create a new category, just copy this one and navigate in the category controller. When we create a new one, paste that in and say new. First import the toast from Proton Media Splade facades toast, and let's say new category created successfully. Save Let's create new one first, and let's say first here, submit, and new category created successfully. Okay friends, that's it about this video. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.